Yeah, so guys, this is the continuation of the video I dropped earlier on. Right now, on this video I'm going to show you the complete fact on how we created this zip sew. All right, but this time around it's going to be in a wet form, not sewing the top together. Wet form. Now this is what I mean. Now remember, this is where we stopped at the other video. So if you have not watched the video, go and watch the video. That is the first video, and this is the second one. You can see the video image on top. So this is the second video. So first watch the first one to see how we created this sew first before you come and join us here. All right, now you measure around it because you're going to measure the leather and the zip you're going to use. Now we measured out 26, right? Now I think this is the easier one. Yeah, this is easier than the first one I did, because the first one is sewing. So now you measure it. You measured out your leather, because this leather is what you're going to use to hold your zip. Now you rub your gum at the middle. All right. So that's because that middle you're rubbing right now. This is why I rubbed it on the middle. Now you see the reason why I rubbed it on the middle. You're going to cut that middle into two. Now it's dried. All right. Now what is going to happen? Cut it into two. When you cut it into two, all right, little bit, just make sure it's straight. All right, make sure it's dried and it's straight, and it's light leather, not thick leather. Now what are you going to do next? You're going to start folding it little by little, just the edges, because that is where you're going to place on your zip, just like this. All right, now check this out. You place it like this. All right, now see what I'm saying. You pin them either with gum or glue. Make sure it's neat, it doesn't stain the zip. You can see the work is neat. All right, then you go and sew it. Now let me show you. You can see we've sewed it. Now what are we going to do next? We need to pin these two things together and rub gum on them. But before then, we need to cover in between where we'll be opening. So you understand, we need to cover where we open. So we've already covered it. It's just that we want to rub our gum and make sure that we cover, just like the way we did the black one. All right, you guys should go and watch those videos, so that you guys can follow us up on what we are doing. Probably that is the video you guys need, or this one, whichever way. They are both zip sew. All right, you can see that, right? Now we've covered this up, and we're still going to do the same thing to this. All right, so when we are done, guys, just come and watch this video. Don't just think maybe you know it all. You've not. There are so many tricks and tips I use here. All right, now this is the top side, which is the wet. All right, now we're going to gum these two things together and rub gum on it. Okay, but before then, we need to place the pockets. All right, where we're going to put our money, put our ID card, put our pen, put whatsoever thing I want to put. Now this is how we create the pockets. This one has pockets, and the other one has kind of block, something like block. You remove the block and you put your money. But this one has pockets and look feminine, unisex, and anything you can think of. Okay, so at the end of the day, you guys should tell me the one that is more beautiful. The first one I did, and the second one that you are watching right now. All right, guys. So now this is what you do. You rub your gum and allow it to dry. So I want to fold the edges. Like I said in my 2-3 last videos thereabout, if you know you are in Abuja, Nigeria, please comment and say, yeah, I'm in Abuja, or Kaduna Road, Kaduna Road, Suleja, places nearby Abuja, Nasarawa. Okay, you can just identify yourself and say, yes, I'm in so. Okay, we have goodies for you. Okay, so now we folding the edges, and it's going through, right? So this is it. We're done folding, so let's go and sew it. Let's go and sew. We need to sew it. Now we are done sewing. Okay, we are done sewing. So now all we need to do is to pin them to the down, which is like this. So you can see this contain money. This is how you want to put your money so that it will hold. But if it's much, you can still roll through like this, and it depends. So whichever way you want to, you can. The other leg has its own way, and the other, you can see them different style of putting money and fixing ID card and whatsoever you want to fix, other jewelries, all right, whatsoever they want to hide inside, so that people will not snatch it from you. Okay, now let's try and see if we can brand this. Okay, but before we brand it, let's put our zip and cover it. So branding will be the last thing. Okay, yeah, branding will be the last thing. We need to brand it. Yes, we need to brand it. All right, so first of all, let's rub gum on the side of our zip. Now you can see I reduced the zip material. Zip, after sewing it, I cut some part out. All right, so that I can see where to rub gum, so that gum will be able to hold the sew. All right, yeah. So now we are done rubbing the gum. So let's join it together. Let's join it together. Now I've joined these two together. Now I need to rub gum here, because this is where the gum is going, the zip is going to place on. And you see, anyway, let me rub it gum so that you see what I'm saying. That's why I said you guys should not rush this video. Okay, you guys should not rush this video. I know what I'm telling you. If you go online and type zip sew, all right, you won't see anybody teaching about zip sew. I'm not saying I'm perfect or anything, but I'm just trying to let you know that this is one of a kind. All right, I just thought about it for like 4 or 5 years ago, that one day I'm going to do it, but I've not gotten a real way to do it. Okay, so but now I've gotten it, so that's how I'm showing you guys. So please don't rush the video, watch it once and for all. Okay, now you can see how I started. You can see how I started. You see where I started from, and the zip itself is at the middle. You can see, place it well. So you press other side. So that other side, we rub gum on the lay down, we rub gum on the sew. So other side, you can see this line will follow the zip line. So that other side will be gummed to the sew. You get, other side will be gummed to the sew. So this is how you close it. Make sure it's closed. If it's not closed, if you are wearing it, it will spoil quickly. All right, be careful, because you don't just do zip sew and boom, you can't wear it. So if you wear it, it will spoil. You need to close it so that it will look like you gummed the sew together. So that when you're wearing it, you are wearing a gummed sew, but can zip. Sure, you understand what I'm trying to say? So you need to close it as if you are gumming your sew, but there's no gum inside. All right, so that's just it. So what I was saying before, you won't see now. You will only see one. All right, you only see one, and that one is shoe. The name of the company is like Pino, something like that in China. That, or they are the only one who made that footwear, and I think it's been long thereabout. So if you check the next person, it's me, my video. All right, now nobody has made that kind of video. You understand? I don't know if, but nobody has made that kind of video. If you go to all your browsers and type on Google, you won't see. So now, you learning this once and for all, it's something that you can use to boost your business. What am I saying? People comes to my shop and see this work and said how much. I told them 40,000, 40, and they are pricing 35. I'm serious about what I'm saying. So as of this time, this video is being made. So please, guys, you watch the video well and take advantage. Okay, if you're doing this kind of stuff in your shop, maybe people like showcase they want to showcase themselves, they want to show that they are the ones wearing the best and all that. So you can use this as a part of, upgrading your skill. Okay, so that I want you to watch this video to the end. If you don't get it right, rewatch it again. Just make sure you get it right. All right, so you don't just rush ahead and spoil someone's work. Okay, please rewatch it and do it well so that it will go viral. Now let's create the name. I want to place a name. I still want to use this opportunity to show you how to cut out name with leather. I want to spell gifted. You understand? Gifted. Now this is how I did it. So you just need to watch well. I just want you guys to just everything I'm teaching, you guys should just be partaker of it. And that is why I'm saying that if you're in Abuja, you're in Nigeria, Abuja, you just indicate that you are from Abuja, that you're staying in Abuja or close to Abuja. Once in a while, we can come and meet you and have a talk with you and see what you're doing. We are teaching that you're not doing well. We can put you through face to face for free because you are our subscribers. You understand? So that is just what I just want everybody to be on guard, like follow us up. All right. And if you have any idea you want to share, you can go on the Telegram and also share what you have. Okay. So now, please be on guard. Like I said, more videos like this will be dropping. Other videos on how to make footwear, palm slippers. You guys know all of them now. Stand. If you want to know how to create sew, how to do any kind of stuff, just go on my channel. I have videos, plenty videos, more videos, exclusive videos. Mention them. All right. You can go to my shorts and you will see videos. So, but right now, what we need right now, guys, is to turn up. You know when I say turn up, like let's do something unique. Okay, let's do something unique, something people have not seen before, something that when white men sees this, they're like, wow, what's going on in Nigeria? You understand what I'm saying? You understand? So that's what we need to do. That's what we need to be thinking of. You understand? So when somebody say make shoe for me, you can make shoe for them, but something extraordinary, something that you know those celebrities that like going to red carpets to showcase themselves can put it on and to be like, oh, it's only so and so person that have this kind of kind of stuff. What I'm saying, you understand? Now, all I'm saying is you having the spirit of customization. You can customize. You understand? Customize for all these artists, customize for, and you're posting all this stuff, and you just have your own brand of one or two things. You understand? I just want all of you guys to understand what I'm saying. I don't know if you understand. You get. All right. With that being said, let's continue. So I'm creating out this name, and this name is gifted, like I said. So I want to use it as a brand. I just want to use like let me say as an opportunity also for you guys to learn, so that in case you want to spell your name, all right, you want to spell your name and you want to want to spell somebody's name. Like in my shop, if I make palm, example, now the palm is 15,000, and if you say I should crest your name, you are paying extra 5k. Can you imagine? Now, if you learn this now, you can just be adding money, and people will be like my name is on my palm slippers. Okay, guys, you understand what I'm saying? That is where I want you guys to be. That's where I want you made. Because if someone comes to your shop and says, "Do this thing for me," you understand, and you're like, okay, bring 20 or 15,000 or 10,000. The person will say, it's too much now. Okay, I'm coming. I will come tomorrow. The person will not come tomorrow. Yes, we just go to somewhere else, and that person can still do it. But when you are doing something nobody can do, you become the small god. See, you understand? The person will go, the person will come back. All right. So now it's complete. Now what we need to do right now is to go and pin this brand on. So now this is how we're going to do it. Now watch. Boom, it's out here, right? Now let's start. You can see how beautiful it is. Now let's remove the top. Very nice and soft. The one I remove right now is soft. but the other down, all this way I'm zipping right now is hard because it's this so it will last. Okay, apart from zip being representing or whatever, but the so is strong and it will last. And don't forget, we've still placed a flat sew under to cover everything we've done. All right, now what we need to do right now, all right, what we need to do right now is to zip this stuff. I think it's the other one we're going to use. Yeah, this one. Now this is what we're going to do. Let's start placing our design step by step. All right, step by step. So let me just check and see. Okay, it's good. All right, let's place this first one. Okay, just make sure you just use your magic gum glue little by little. It spread too much. Just pour little. Don't make it look awkward. Now you apply the magic gum first on the white leather, not on the black leather. You see what I did? First of all, you just put small, hold the place that is not glued. After placing it, then you will now, that place that is not glued already, you now put small there. Add it, that's all. Now, second one again, look at what I did. Glue here, just small here, then you hold where there's no glue and place it. Then you now bring your glue back again, and that place that there's no glue, you put small again. You can see the idea, guys. Small, so that there will be no, just small, just a drop, a drop, I mean. All right, so that there will be no stain. You get, you all look very okay. So guys, the top of this work, all right, will be released on how I craft it out on the next video. Now this video is 3 sets, so if you're watching this video, there's a video before and after, so it's 3. All right, the first one is when we started, the second one again is this one, and the third one is going to be how I created the top. The top is massive, guys. You need to watch the video. Don't play. You need to watch the video. You really need the video. You can see the top, how the top is. You need to learn it, guys. So you need to watch this 3 video and get your zip sew very ready. Alright guys, so you can see the top I'm talking about. The video on how I created this top will be shown on the next video. You guys need to check this video out, right? This video is dropping the next day after this video, so you check after this video, you see the video. All right, you need to learn the style. I think this style is more easier than the other one, but I think both of them are strong. This one is easier, but the other one is also, I don't know, you guys should just go on the comment section and just tell me which one is more beautiful than the other. Thanks.